Welcome. Today we will scratch a 20 pesos ticket, go bananas, simply find 3 like amounts, and find a multiplier here. You can win 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times your prize. So let's begin. $200,000. Another 200,000. A 20,000. A 20. 500. A 50. A 10,000. A 1,000. Oh, it's a loser. And 100. So I don't win anything. Hope you like, guys. Thank you.